In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an n8n webhook and configure it to work seamlessly with an ElevenLabs agent. This process will enable you to efficiently manage multi-step workflows and integrate various tools into your automation tasks. Let's dive in and explore how you can get this set up. To begin, you'll want to open your n8n workflow. In n8n, a webhook node is what you'll use as the trigger for your workflow. The webhook will be responsible for capturing incoming requests and kicking off the automation. When you add the webhook node, make sure to set the method to post. This method is typically used for sending substantial pieces of data over HTTP. Also, decide whether you want to implement authentication. You can choose between none, if security isn't a primary concern, or heteroauth, where you can pass an authentication token for added security. Once configured, the webhook generates a unique URL. This is important. You'll need to copy this URL because it connects your n8n workflow with any external service you want to integrate, like your ElevenLabs agent. After setting up the webhook node, consider adding another node that will be triggered afterward. For instance, you might integrate a respond to webhook node to reply to incoming requests. This ensures that there is feedback once the webhook is activated, adding another layer of interaction in your workflow. Now let's move on to setting up your ElevenLabs agent. After logging into your ElevenLabs account, navigate to the section where agents are managed. You can either create a new agent or modify an existing one, depending on your needs. Within the agent settings, you need to add a new custom tool. Here, you'll select Webhook as the tool type. This is where you will enter that n8n webhook URL you copied earlier. This URL tells the ElevenLabs agent where to send its data. Make sure to set the HTTP method to post here as well. You also need to enable the body parameter. This step allows your agent to send data, such as chat inputs or transcripts, that may be available to your n8n workflow. It's crucial to accurately define which parameters or data you want transferred, so determine what's necessary for your workflow's success. Finally, configure the system prompt in your ElevenLabs agent. The goal here is to provide clear instructions. Tell the agent that it can harness the n8n workflow tool for complex multi-step processes and emphasize the importance of using the trigger n8n workflow. Additionally, guide the agent to present workflow results in natural language. This ensures that any responses or data processed through n8n are delivered in a way that's comprehensible and useful. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to connecting n8n with ElevenLabs through a webhook. It's perfect for leveraging the power of automated workflows in an integrated, user-friendly way.